Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Now we learn here multiplication. Today we learn 6.9 multiplication of 4 digit number by 1 digit number without carry over. 4 digit number means which number? Which start from the thousands. Okay. See here 6.9 multiplication 4 digit number, multiplication of 4 digit number, okay. First question number, first we teach here, see here, I teach you 2423 ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, multiply by 1 digit number na, and without carry, 1 digit number without carry means here multiply by 2. First, how do you multiply this one? Only 1 digit number given, second factor only 1 digit number. Okay, see 1 digit 2, ones to ones, ones to tens, ones to hundreds, and ones to thousand. 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. Write there in a same column. Ones place write ones, tens place write tens multiplication answer. Hundreds write here on hundreds place, okay, and thousands write there thousands place. Next one more example I teach you. 1000, see here, thousand, hundred, tens, ones. 1323 multiply by 3. 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. 1323 multiply by 3 is equal to 3969. You got their answer 3969. Now open your textbook. Multiplication of 4 digit number by 1 digit number without carry over. See first one question, find the product. 2 twos are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. 3202 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6404. B1, 4214 multiplied by 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Next one, 3232 multiplied by 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. You got their answer 9696. D1, 1320 multiply by 2. First you multiply by ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands. 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2. You got their answer 2640. Today's homework E, F, G, H is your homework, but G and H so I also solve in your on paper. Okay, now next one 6.10 multiplication word problem. Read this word problem, find the product. One example has been done. See, there are 32 rabbits in a garden. Each one was given 12 carrots. how many carrots were given in all? In the multiplication, see, they given only each, and you want there so many's. You want so many's. That time you do the multiplication. Now 32 rabbits are there, but what they say, only one rabbit eat the 12 carrots. So how many carrots they want? 32 multiplied by 12. 2 digit multiplication of 2 digit number by 2 digit number. Understand na? This one also I teach you previous video. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Next one, you tens number multiply up to first factor. So first one take 0, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. Do the plus. 4 plus 0 4, 6 plus 2 8, 3. 384 carrots were given in all. Understand? Now, Philly has 28 pets. Philly have 28 pets. The food for each pet for a day cost rupees 25. One pet they want 25 rupees. Food. How much money does Philly spend every day? There are 28 pets. There are 28 pets. Each one once, how many is there? 25 rupees. So 28, how many rupees they want? What you do here? Multiplication. Okay. 28 multiply by how many rupees they given? One pet 25. 8 5s are 44 carried. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 14. Next one, tens plus you multiply, take a 0. 2 8s are 16. 6 right, 1 is a carry on next place. This is carry over na. 2 2s are 4 plus 5. 0, 10, carry 1, 7. Every day want 700 rupees. Every day they want Philly spend 700 rupees every day. There are 36 dog biscuits in each packet. How many dog biscuits are there? 24 packets. This is your dog food packet. In this have 36 pieces are there. 36 pieces are there. But you purchase there 24 पैकेट्स मीन्स ऐसे तुमने 24 डिब्बे लिए और एक में 36 है, तो फिर जब तुम खोलोगे और एक ही जगह पर करोगे वो पैकेट्स, तब कितने बिस्किट्स हो गए उतने उसमें. इसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 36 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 24. 4 6 are 24. 2 is a carry. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. This carry over na, rub that one. That carry over, rub that one. Okay. Next one. What you do? First take 0. 2 6 are 12, carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 plus 4 plus 0 4. 4 plus 2 6 8. They want, there are 864 biscuits in 24 packets. There are 864 biscuits in 24 packets. All of you understand na? D1. Montu the monkey eat 48 banana in a month. How many bananas does Montu eat in 16 months? In month 48 bananas he eat. It eat 48 bananas in a only 1 month. They want how many is month? 16 months. They want their calculation for 16 months. So what you do, 48 multiply by 16. 6 sides are 48. 4 is a carry. 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 4, 28. Next in a tens place, take a 0. 1 8s are 8. 1 4s are 4. This carry over na. 8 plus 0 8. 8 plus 8 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 4 7. Montu ate 768 bananas in a 16 month. E1 is there. There are 28 squirrels on each trees. How many squirrels are there on 14 trees? What you do? One tree have how many squirrels? 28. You want there 14 trees squirrel. 4 8s are 24, carry 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. Next one take a 0 because of now you multiply by tens place. 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are 2. 4 plus 0 4. 0 plus 8 8. 1 plus 2 3. There are 384 squirrels on 14 trees. Next one. Each packet has 25 kilograms of pet food. How many kilograms of pet food in their 18 packets? One have how many kilos? 25. And you want their 18 packets. 8 5s are 40. 4 is a carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20. Next one is you multiply here tens place. So first you take 0. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 5 5. 2 plus 2 4. There are 450 kilograms of pet food in 18 baskets. Next one, GHI is your homework. GHI is your homework. Okay. Next one, topic number 7, critical thinking. Critical thinking. This is your own questions. These questions you solve their own. But see here how to solve. Make a mark to show where you think the number 10,000 would be on the number line. See how to make a number line. First one given line, and first one 0 to 1000. How many counting there? 1.3. You count here 1.3. Here 2000. Here also same 1.3. Here 3000. Here 4000. Here 5000. Here 6000. Here 7000. Here make a same distance on line. 8000. 9,000, and here also 10,000. Here write 10,000. Why I take 1.3? See here. Here you have 1.3 centimeter distance. So you take same distance as it is. Understand? Make a mark to show where you think the number 10,000 would be on the number line. 0 and thousands have how many gap? How many centimeters gap? That same gap on 1000 and 2000. Next 2000, 3000, 3000, 4000, 4000, 5000, 5, 6000, 7, 8000, 9, 10,000. Okay. Here 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, and here you got 10,000. Understand now? Okay. Question number 2. Nancy said, in my number the 100 are one more than the tens, and the tens are one more than the ones, and the sum of the digits is 6. What is the number Nancy thinking? See here. We want here ones, tens, hundreds. Means you want here 3 digits number. What they say? 100 plus 1 more than 100 plus number 1 more than tens plus number, and tens plus number 1 more than ones plus number, and the sum of these numbers 6. Means here you write 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Here you write 4, 5, 6. But this is sum is 6. You want their sum also. These numbers 6. Means 1, 2, 3. Means you got there 321 number right there. 321. Can you find the secret number? Here some clues. One of its two factor is 3, and the sum of two factors is 9. The sum of two factors is 9. Means given number 3 given plus 9. Okay, plus, and give their answer 9. You want their second addend number. That time what you do? 3 come that side. Okay, 3 come that side. So 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, how many is there? 6. You got their answer 6 na. So can you find the secret number? Here some clues. One of two factor is 3. Means you got their answer 6. They write 3 plus 6, 9, and 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. Understand what is the answer is there? Okay. Philly was first in running race. Irish finished ahead of Sanober, but behind Philly, Nancy beat Irish. Who was the third position? Who was the third position? See here. Philly. Yellow color is a Philly. Orange color is a Irish, and green color is a Sanober. What they want? Who was the third position? Philly was the first. Philly was the first in running position. Irish finished ahead Sanober, but Sanober is a behind Philly. Sanober, but Irish finished ahead of Sanober. Sanober is there. This is a Sanober. This chalk is a Sanober. Sanober, Irish and finished Sanober ahead. Irish and हे दोघं sorry. These two are on same position. And Nancy beat. This is a Nancy na. This chalk is a Nancy. But behind Philly, Nancy beat Irish. Means Nancy is here, but she ran fast and beat this one. Okay. Who was the third position? Irish na. Because of Sanober also behind Philly. Sanober also behind Philly. Behind means backside. Behind means backside. Understand? Means Sanobar also run fast and go there. Okay. Who was the third position? 1, 2, 3. Who was here? Irish, na? So write there Irish. So write there Irish. Understand? Okay. There are 100 people in a line. There are 100 people in line. Ramaya is the next to last. Next to the last. What was place she in? There are 100 people. And what they say? Ramaya is the next to last. Next to last means hundreds before number, hundreds backward number which? 99. So she was on 99th position. Find two digits added. Give the sum is give a sum equal to 75 with the regrouping. They want there two groups there. First one and second one also. And any one number added there, you got their answer 75. 75 means you exchange their number. Which number? 37 plus 38 and 36 plus 39. 36 plus 39. Here got also 75 answer. Here got also 75 answer. Understand? One of the wall of bird house has 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles. What was the shape of this wall? Rectangle have 4 equal sides? No. Square have also 4 equal side. 4 equal side. 4 equal angles. This side also same. Which side this one? Square. Understand? When you cut the following figures along with the base, what shape would you get? See here. When you cut your cube, first one shape which? Square. Rectangle. This is a cuboid. When you cut the box, first one, which side you have box and you cut there one side, that time which shape you got? Rectangle. Next one, cut one this side, you got there circle. Ninth one question. In one hospital this year 290 baby boys were born. There were 11 more baby girls born than baby boys. How many babies born in all? What they say? 290 baby boy born. Okay. And what they say? 11 more baby girls born than baby boys. Means 290 plus 11 baby girl born. Baby girl born. Understand? Baby girl born. Means how many is there total? First one, 290 plus 11 is equal to 301. 300 plus 1, 301 and plus 290. 1, 9, 5. How many total born babies? 591. Right there. 290 plus 290 plus in bracket 11. 290 plus 301 is equal to 591. All of you understand now? Today your portion is completed. Today here your portion is completed. So in this semester exam all this portion coming, okay, all these lessons coming in the exam. So regularly do the revision. For example, take in your textbook and write in your notebook, okay. And today's homework also, page number 100 to 103 completed. Thank you.